Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 9th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is a 1-2, and I think we're currently in a wave 3. I think this is just a subdivision of the wave 3, this move down that we're getting, and eventually it's going to keep on going up, and it's probably going to go up probably to at least a 24, maybe even $2,500 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is now where you can see what I think is a 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, ABC, most likely an ABC of 2. I still think this is a wave 3. I think this move right here is just a subdivision of that wave 3. And I still think that it is on these higher time frames going to keep on going up overall. Now on the shorter time frames, I do still think it needs to go down one more time before it goes up. I actually think this is a WXY, 3 waves down for a W, 3 waves up for an X. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves down for the wave Y of this WXY pattern, probably down to the 78 or the 88.5 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like a trend, and it definitely looks like a correction, which kind of makes me think that it could pop up before it pops down to make a more proper looking A, B, and C. But overall, I still think it needs to go down before it goes up, like I was explaining on the higher time frames to finish off this WXY, and then eventually we should get a pretty nice long opportunity. So going down to the shorter time frames, a lot of the dollar pairs to me look like they do need to keep going down. So it's kind of wondering whether it's going to actually go up or not because it is making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I would like to see it just keep on going down to make that bigger pattern that I was showing you on the higher time frames, which most likely is a wave C of wave Y. Now, like I said, it is definitely probably even more likely that it will pop up to like the 61.8, and this 5 waves up is the wave A, this 3 waves down is the wave B, and it goes up and makes a wave C, and then it continues the downtrend from there. So whether it continues down now or whether it continues down later, I guess that's the question. We'll have to just wait and find out. Either way, I am definitely looking for shorts at the end of any of these pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.